Hey guys, welcome back once again to, let's just call this Ernest Cold Outdoors. Doing a little camping, a little outdoors, a little fishing, a little bit of everything. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of hiking. Today, I'm camping with my family here at Piney Grove State Park in Bay Springs, Mississippi. You guys have seen me fish that lake. I've got a nature trail on this campground. It's the Dogwood Nature Trail. It's not a long trail, about 3/4 of a mile, but I thought I'd take you guys along and show you the trail and show you guys. It's a pretty neat little trail. It's down a bunch of hills and everything, but thought I'd take you guys along. So come along with me and let's get on the trail. Now, I'm not a hardcore hiker by any means. I've got on blue jeans and a hoodie, but I do like to get out in the woods and kind of walk around from time to time and just kind of put your mind at ease. The good thing about, excuse me, the interesting thing about this trail is I talked to the park ranger, and it was actually built by a bunch of Boy Scouts several years ago, and it was pretty good for its time. There's some asphalt parts of it, real defined trails, some gravel, so it's really easy to follow, and I really do enjoy walking on this trail. Another neat thing about this trail here is that every now and then they have these benches. I guess they're for sitting and resting and observing nature, since this is a nature trail. But they're pretty neat. Looks like they've been here for quite a while, and good place to sit down and rest your bones for a minute. This trail also does wind by, if you're at Bay Springs Lake, stands to reason that it goes by the shoreline in a few places, and you kind of stop for a second and get a good view of the lake and kind of look at the water and kind of rest for a second. So that's a pretty neat little part of it too, kind of a little added bonus. You get a little lakeside walk. Oh wow, here's something really nice. It's got one of those little benches. It's kind of overlooking a little point here out on the water. Let's sit here and take a little break here and kind of enjoy the scenery here. Whew. Boys and girls, I'm gonna tell you, it's got a little bit warm out here. It was pretty cool this morning when we got up from the camper, started a fire, drank a little coffee, but now it's starting to warm up. I don't know if just because I'm down here in the woods and I'm kind of shielded from the wind or what. I can still hear the wind blowing pretty good, so once I get out of here, it may get cold again because I'm sweating. It's kind of warm, so, but I am thoroughly enjoying the trail. The hike is wonderful. Makes you feel good. I'm a little tired. Of course, I'm out of shape. Look at me. But I'm thoroughly enjoying the trail. Well, folks, it appears that I have reached the end of the trail. Like I said, it's not a very long trail. Just kind of goes downhill off to the water and back, but I'm at the end. I see the end up here, I see the sign, so I'm going to get back to the campground. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up and a like and a share and all that jazz. But thanks for watching Ernest Cold Fishing, and we'll see you guys either on the trail, on the water, or down the road. Have a good day.